everybody, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to apply crown color. I'm doing the color Copper, Queen Copper, because it's been the most popular. First, I'm moisturizing my hair with my Daily Moisturizer Couture Curls. Very important to moisturize your hair with this product because it does contain wax, and if you do not properly moisturize it first, it can leave your hair feeling kind of waxy, I guess. So definitely want to moisturize it very well with the oil or butter or some type of leave-in conditioner. So now I'm just sectioning my hair into sloppy sections. I don't really use combs or detangle very often on my hair. I found that my hair doesn't really need a lot of detangling. So I'm just doing, like, you can do neater sections if you want to, but I just do sloppy sections, kind of pull them apart and just spread like 2 fingers full of the product onto your hair. And as you can see, it's defining my curls as I go, so you don't have to worry about like setting your hair with a twist out or braid out. Your curls will definitely be defined with this product. If you want to twist out and braid out, you definitely can, but I never do. I don't see the need for the extra step. What I'm doing now is just kind of making sure the product is evenly distributed. The product is creamy, but it's definitely a very thick product. And if you don't, spread it out evenly over the strands of your hair, you can see, like, once it's dry, you'll start to see like clumps. So you definitely want to make sure that it's like evenly distributed. Oh, and also, I don't know if I mentioned it, but you need to apply this product to wet hair. That's why I have my spray bottle here, because my hair was starting to get dry, and it just works better when you apply it to wet hair. So moisturize and make sure your hair is wet when you're applying it for best results. Y'all, I'm sorry about all the funny faces. It is late. It's like almost 1 in the morning. I'm tired. But right now I'm just, doing the back of my hair. It's hard to see back there. So, I guess if you were doing it in the bathroom, you could use a mirror, but I'm in my office in front of the phone. It was a little hard for me to see the back. Okay, and then right here, it's all applied all over. I'm just kind of primping and playing with it. So I think I missed a spot back there, but that's okay. And guys, so normally I don't use heat on my hair. I wouldn't use the blow dryer. I would let it air dry, but you can definitely diffuse it with the blow dryer if you are short if you're pressed for time. And for the purposes of just demonstrating the product in the video, I wanted to actually dry my hair, to show you guys what it would look like dry. And this is the finished product. So pretty. So that is how you apply crown color. And again, this is the color Queen Copper. It's like a beautiful coppery blondie kind of color. If you want to purchase this product, be sure to check out my website at truedeftnaturals.com. The product is only $12, and I've got lots of fun, beautiful colors. Enjoy.